Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. In today's video, we are going to how to get Candy Crush Saga back on Facebook. Here is how you can go. Go to your Facebook account, tap on browse and make sure you're logged into your Facebook. Then search for Candy Crush Saga. Then open the game. There you can click on the game link to open Candy Crush app page. Then on the game page, click on play game button. This should load the game within Facebook. If it asks permission, make sure you allow game access to your basic profile to link it with your progress. If you have previously linked your Candy Crush Saga, should automatically load. If you don't see your previous progress, make sure you're logged into the same Facebook account and that you originally connected with Candy Crush. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.